What up? Jeff here with all my Bitcoin Renegades. And today I have to do a video about a crypto that is booming right now. And luckily, I'm holding it. It is actually called ICP, Internet Computer Price. So as you see, it went from $45 yesterday, or actually even, let's see, earlier this morning, it was at 46, and as you see, it blasted all the way up to 54. Now, why did it do this? You might ask. Well, I was wondering the same thing. So I go down here and I'm like, okay, well, what's going on with the community updates? Well, look, November 4th, Achievement Unblocked. A new blockchain gaming program from Dfinity and United Esports. So it's called Achievement Unblocked. Achievement Unblocked, a new blockchain gaming program from Dfinity and United Esports. The series will follow aspiring developers as they compete and work to launch their dream game on internet computer. Really? The recent explosion of smart contracts and NFTs is redefining the development of video games, creating powerful new integrations that deliver valuable gaming experiences to players. With the popularity of such games as Axie Infinity, Play to Earn, and GameFi models are combining creative gameplay with DeFi, setting the stage for blockchain technology's widespread adoption and the growth of the nascent gaming industry that is realigning the relationships between developers, players, and emerging platforms. It is against this backdrop that the Dfinity Foundation and United Esports, a leading esports media and marketing organization, are jointly announcing Achievement Unblocked, an exciting new competition series that features a group of aspiring and forward-thinking game developers as they transition from traditional development platforms to building games on the internet computer. Dude, this is freaking cool. It's a whole show. It's like a reality series about people building a game on internet computer price. That is so amazing. So, the first blockchain that enables games and all manner of dApps and services to run entirely on chain. Now, if you didn't know, Internet Computer Price is actually working on building smart contracts for Bitcoin. I was telling you that they had something to do with Bitcoin the other day, so I did the research, and, well, I just kind of stumbled upon it, but, and it said that Internet Computer Price is working on bringing smart contracts to Bitcoin. So it's doing amazing stuff as well as Achievement Unblocked. The Achievement Unblocked program will follow these game developers in real time as they compete and work to launch their dream game on the internet computer, giving viewers an intimate look at the next evolution of gaming. The projects will run on the blockchain from end to end, demonstrating how thousands of other developers can apply this technology to unlock revolutionary gaming platforms. Now, if you didn't notice, I have a subscribe and like thing right here. If you're not, please subscribe to the channel and please like this content, as it shows YouTube that we are the best crypto site on YouTube. Now, there is a lot of this. I'm not going to read the whole thing because it's a big thing. But as you see, there's a mass amount of stuff going on. Early adopters describe launching dApps on the internet computer. That's what led to Achievement Unblocked. As you see, Dfinity to launch Bitcoin smart contracts on the internet computer. What? So things are looking amazing for Dfinity. I mean, there is good news after good news. Dfinity's moves are part of a wider scale industry initiative to make Bitcoin usable in DeFi and Web 3.0. With the Bitcoin Lightning Network Taproot and with Dfinity to launch smart contracts on Bitcoin and also other places that do, bring DeFi to Bitcoin as well. So Dfinity's moves are going to change the web and make Bitcoin usable for DeFi and Web 3.0. The internet computer will host Bitcoin smart contracts by the end of the year. Smart contracts will enable lending, yield farming, derivatives, and other DeFi applications for Bitcoin. The Dfinity Foundation, which is behind the internet computer blockchain, announced on Tuesday that it will be integrating with Bitcoin. This was back in September. So by the end of the year, that means within the next month or so, guys. And if they deploy smart contracts to Bitcoin by the end of the year, things are going to look amazing for internet computer price and Bitcoin especially. So we could see this coin back up to around $1,000 at least, if not more. Because that would, if it was at $1,000, it would be right around, I think, 10 billion. It's at 1 billion right now at 50. No, so times 10 would be 500. So at 500, it would be 10 billion. So if you double that, it would be at 20 billion at $1,000. So we did the math. So $1,000 internet computer price puts us at a $20 billion evaluation. So market cap. And now let's go look at the price. This is what we do, right? So now we're at 52 bucks. It was just up at 54. Are we on our way up again? We actually are just on a downturn. But it looks like hopefully we'll run support right here at about 52. And now let's look at the week. Okay, yes, we've been staying mid 40s all week. And then we had this nice boost. So I'd still say with everything happening in internet computer price, deploying smart contracts by the end of the year, all of these games being launched on there, and early adopters describe launching dApps on the internet computer. Motoko and the internet computer's native language turns 2. So it's 2 years old now. It's starting to do big things, good things. And I think it can go back up to 750 or more, even 1,000. And that puts us only at $20 billion evaluation. So I think we can do it, guys. So if you look, we're at 1 billion right now, volume. So, that would put the market cap. Sorry, the market cap would be much higher than that. I was thinking of the volume. So that's why we always go look and double check, right? So the market cap is 9.2 billion. So if you 10x that, that would be 90 billion. Dang. And that puts it higher than Dogecoin and a couple other. That makes this a top 10 coin. And if you double that to 180 billion, that would put it at $1,000. So that's what we're looking at, is $180 billion evaluation market cap if this thing goes up that high. So that is pretty high. But if it's bringing smart contracts to Bitcoin, it's probably going to end up being one of the big ones. So we'll see what happens. I think everything is looking amazing. I'm making some profit right now. It is going down a little bit as we speak, but I think it's starting to rebound right now and turn around. So, all right, guys, that being said, you know what time it is. Goodbye and good Bitcoin.